Good morning, welcome. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. And this is my daughter's 2005 Camry. And notice what happened last night. She called me and said, "Dad, one of the guys said that the light's out," and it is out. So let's change this thing here. I think it should be straightforward. We'll find out. I was thinking that one place to start this project would be to look in the owner's manual and see if it tells you how to replace the headlight bulb. Sure enough, it does on page 325 of my manual. And this is a picture of the page right here. Step one, you open the hood, you get the bulb base, and you turn it counterclockwise. And what happens is once you turn it counterclockwise, it kind of like opens it up and lets you pull it out of the headlight fixture. Number two, you've got to get the bulb itself out of the little connector. So you press this little button, and it's a lock release, and then you might have to wiggle the bulb a little bit to get it out of there because it's probably been stuck in for a few years. Next thing you do in number three, you plug the new bulb into the connector. You put the connector back into the headlight fixture, turn it clockwise, and it locks right into place. I went to Walmart and picked up a 9006 here. So, man, I gotta tell you, it is hot today. It's like 85 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning with 75% humidity. Planes are flying over, cars are riding by. It's a beautiful morning. So anyways, here's the bulb right here. Turn it counterclockwise, and oh, there it comes. Nice. That was easy. Okay, so there's the bulb right there. There's a little tab right here. You see the little tab right there? And let's just push the tab down. And I think the bulb will come right out of the socket. So there we go. Push the tab, pull the socket. Okay. Push the tab. There you go. And the bulb will come right out, just like that. Okay, nice. Okie dokie. Where's the new bulb? What did I do with it? I've lost it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so just open this up. Okay, that's right. Okay. All right. You might have to bulb itself. It's recently go. All right, let me go. Sharper. Okay. There we go. Ta-da! It's out. Okay. So we will gently reinstall this like this. Clicks back into place. And we're going to put this back in like this. So it goes, you can see how it goes in there. Yikes. Okay, that's that. And we turn it clockwise, and it's all clicked into place. Okay, nice. Job well done. Let's check it out and see if it works. It's working now. How cool is that? And I'm pretty sure the high beams work too. I think I checked those last night, but let's flip this on here. High beams. And oh yeah, high beams are working too. Everything's looking good.